Hey YouTube, this is a video on my cold air intake I got about 3 weeks ago. This is a 2014 Dodge Dart SXT 2.4 liter. And this is my cold air intake. The filter, but I don't think you can see it. But it's there, trust me. But anyways, how I installed it, well, what the directions said: disconnect the negative cable. Once you do that, then take the air box off. That was easy. It's right here. Well, not now, but it was. Take it off. That was easy. Then it said take the front bumper off, and I did not want to do that just to put a cold air intake on. Reason why they want you to take that off, because at the bottom of the air box, the baffle runs down here and it ends somewhere right here, and that's the reason why they want to take the bumper off. But what I did was jack the car up right here, took the tire off. Sorry, I'm using my phone. I don't know how good the quality is. Anyways, take the tire off. Take the splash guard off. It's right here. Then once you take that off, you can gain access to the whole baffle. That's right here, on the other side of the splash guard, right here. Now, even though the splash or the baffles like comes down right here, like I said, it runs to the front. To take that off took me about 15 minutes because the front of the baffle, there's bolts or clips. You actually gotta do it blindfolded to get that off. That was pain in the ass. Once you get that off, the air filter for the cold air intake actually is like right here on our side of splash guard. So once you get the air filter on, bolted on, you actually put the splash guard back on, put a tire on, lower the car. Then reconnect the negative cable, and pretty much that's it. The cold air intake was about $150, I think, on moderateperformance.com. Well, that's without shipping and handling. It would vary on where you live for the shipping and handling. But yeah, I'll be showing you what it sounds like right at the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be coming with you with some more videos.